Yeah, I think you just have to become small, I think.
I think I'm doing it. So what's your small button?
There you go. There you go. I'm recording. Oh shit.
Mama! Also, Kai isn't here anymore. Kai?
He's heading to the... There you go.
Wag mo ko itulak! Babasagin ko tong diamante. Sige kayo.
That's a frequent reoccurrence.
Okay, I can open the rift. Okay,
Oh my god, Hannah! We found the Holy Grail!
Oh, yeah. Can you actually put that?
Jesus Magic Cup.
Yes, yes.
Wala. Wala naman lang. Okay, kumakain.
Ano ba yan?
Ano yun?
It was a laser. Gosh dang it, Joyce blocked me.
I didn't even know that was going to happen. I was like, what?
I heard the screaming, and then suddenly Joyce, I turned around, Joyce blocked me, and my body defended her.
You say Joyce.
My god. Now it's just, so pissed again.
Alright, note to self. Magdedire-diretso sa isang kwarto kung magkakasama.
Sipain ko si Joyce. She blocked me! I'll never forget this.
Nagtaka ako, sabi ko, may nagbukas ang pito, sunod na makita ko na lang may laser, hindi na ako makaya. Ang bilis nun eh.
By the way, do you see that bay on Joyce's neck? She has
Yeah.
no HP.
Nasipa na lang na walang ano eh. What?
Joyce talaga. I turned around and you blocked me. This is the fastest game over we've ever had.
And then, I was like, I was walking like this.
Malay ko, my god.
I'm like,
Kakainis.
I'm like, how do you know? Can't you move while you're small? I know you can move it.
Me and Kai had the same idea.
I'll hurt you with the power of music.
Come on! Oh, I died. Bloopers on the fire. Red pill. Oh!
How could you?
Yes, crown nerd.
I think I need to do the...
Oh my god, we have to start from level 1 again. Okay.
Damn it.